a problem from pair of straight line, and the problem is so that the area of the rectangle formed by the straight lines x square plus 2xy minus y square, this is equal to 0, and x square plus 2xy minus y square minus 4y minus 2, this is equal to 0, is 1 by 2 into root 2 square unit. Okay, and clearly we see that this second degree term or this second degree term, these are the same, so these are parallel, and also here it is given that this is the rectangle, so we here do not prove this forms a rectangle, we here let this forms a rectangle, and only we have to find the area of the rectangle. Okay, so we draw a rectangle which is given by these two lines, and clearly this two line is homogeneous equation of second degree, so the point of intersection is 0, 0. This is origin. Okay, let it be OA and OB, and by factorizing this term we get x square plus y square plus 2xy, this is equal to 2y square we get from here. Okay, and this is given by x plus y whole square, this is equal to 2y square, that is x plus y, this is equal to root 2 into y, that gives x plus 1 plus root y into y, this is equal to 0, and another is x plus 1 minus root 2 into y, this is equal to 0, and here we take plus minus. Okay, so two straight line from the given first line we get, let it be OA, this is x plus 1 plus root 2 into y, this is equal to 0, and this is x plus 1 minus root 2 into y, this is equal to 0. And from the second given line we get that this is given by x plus y whole square, and in the right side we get 2y square plus 4y plus 2, that is 2 into y plus 1 whole square, right, and x plus y, this is equal to plus minus root 2 into y plus 1, so we get x plus 1 plus root 2 into y, this is equal to minus root 2, this is given by 3, and the number 4 is x plus 1 minus root 2 into y, this is given by root 2, and this is 4. Okay, so we get here x plus 1 plus root 2 into y, this line is equal to minus root 2, and this is given by x plus 1 minus root 2 into y, this is equal to root 2. Okay, now we have to find the perpendicular distance between them and them. Okay, so we directly find out this is the breadth and this is the length. Now the length, or we write it as one side, is given by perpendicular distance between them and them is given by, this is root 2, or we can write minus root 2 by root under, this is 1 square plus 1 plus root 2 whole square. Okay, so we get root 2 by root under 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 root 2, this is root 2 by, this is root under 4 plus 2 root 2, right, and other side is, this is equal to mod of root 2 by, we get from this and this line, this is 1 plus 1 minus root 2 whole square. We use the formula of perpendicular distance between two lines, and it is given by C1 minus C2 by root under a square plus b square. This is the formula of finding perpendicular distance between two straight lines. And this is equal to root 2y. This is root under 4 minus 2. Now the area of the rectangle is, area is given by two sides multiplied. Okay, so area is, this is equal to root 2 into root 2, and the lower term is root under this and this. So this is a minus b and this is a plus b. So this is 4 square minus 2 root 2 whole square, and which is given by root under 16 minus 8, that is 2y root 8. So 2y 2 root 2, right? And this is given by 1 by root 2, and we can write this is half into root 2 square root. So we prove the area of the rectangle, this is equal to 1 by 2 into root 2 square root, right? This is very easy problem from pair of straight line.